What's going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Colin. Everybody else who's cool with Colin.
Chunky, I didn't say.
Get your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin I'm ready.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great day so far. I've got a good one for you. I actually don't know the name of this judge. I should by now. I think this is out of Huron County, Michigan. I think. I feel like every time this court pops up, it says Huron County on it. So I'm going to say that. But I'm only about 90% sure. Anyways, this is point in case. Don't pay your ex-girlfriend's bond for her, because this might happen to you. Before I hit that play button, you know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe. Do your jump kick backflips. Let's go.
Versus Randy Linton, file number 247148FH. This is a motion hearing filed by Petitioner Jeremy Kahn for get his bond back. Sir, your name is Jeremy Kahn?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir, would you please raise your hand?
Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give in this case is the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Mr. Kahn, you had posted a bond for Brandy Kahn, is that correct?
Yes.
And how is Brandy Kahn related to you?
Me and her have been together for about 7 years. We actually came in on the same time, jail and everything like that. And when I had got out, I got about 4 days before I got her out. And I talked to her at a visit, and she said she would pay me back, just get her out till her birthday, till her court date. And she would have me paid back. I had no money. I just got out of jail. I just got a job, finally gainfully back in Boyd after she got out of jail on the 7th. And she said, you have me paid over the end date. In between that time, even before the court date, she said she was not going to pay me back. She said she had, basically, there's no way she's going to clear her bond excessively. I can have my money tied away. I'm living on an air mattress in a tent, and I did this as a favor to her, only till her birthday, till the court date. So I showed the court date to get my bond money back, not knowing that that required an additional hearing when someone lies to you and tells you they're not going to honor, what they did. So I'm just here petitioning the court and asking to rescind my bond money, get me out of this situation.
How much money did you post?
$350. And like as I said, I'm in a hardship myself. So, and even at the time of her court date, when I had asked, I don't want her to work. I have no ill will towards it. Like I even said, the prosecution would give her PR bond, they would what's best for everybody. Even the prosecution doesn't trust her to maintain her bail and bond status. So at that point, I just want to be released out of the entire situation. I feel lied to straight, and
Is Brandy here?
Yes, yes. Sure.
The issue I have though is if the court orders this, she has to go back to the jail unless she posts the money herself.
Yes, and that was always the agreement that we had, is that she was supposed to pay me back or get the money and pay herself back. There's even text messages I had with her as of recently of this week saying, I don't want you to go back to jail. Please get your money together. You lied to me, so I really don't want to see you go back to jail just because, we have any issues. And she was also offered gainful employment within a 20-yard walking distance of making $100 a day as a waitress, to $300 a day as a waitress on the weekend. The second she got out, turned that down, refused to work. So it's like, I just don't see any way I'm going to get out of this at all unless the court grants me out of it.
Well, what's normally.
All right. So he's trying to get his bond money back, and his ex-girlfriend not giving it back. So he's there in front of the judge. He even was nice enough to give her a heads up, like, hey, just so you know, I'm doing this. I'm going to try to get my bond back, and you're probably going to go to jail if the judge grants it. Again, don't pay your ex-girlfriend's bond. Don't do it.
Done in situations like this, Mr. Kahn, is that at the time of sentencing, which is, I believe, September 30th,
Yes.
The bond would be returned to you minus 10% administrative hit. And that's the normal course of doing it. Now, it sounds like there may be some sort of civil agreement between the two of you relative to a contract where you agree to post your bond in exchange. You'll get paid back by your birthday and whatever it may be. But I can't get involved in civil proceedings like that unless this is a civil action filed. You're guaranteed your bond money absent her, God forbid, violating her bond conditions.
So can I ask you a question on that right there? So if she violates her bond conditions, I'm not getting her money back.
There's a potential you may not get your money back. And there's potential for that. And you have the ability to go to the clerk's office and, frankly, as far as I'm concerned, demand the bond money back.
That's what
I think you have that right, and I've seen that happen.
so
I've never seen a motion filed like this.
Okay, so see, I went and asked them and they said that I had to come to court and file a motion. So if I can just go back and ask them that.
Well, let me ask Ms. Todd. Ms. Todd, do you have the bond money to post?
Not today, I don't.
When will you have the bond?
The end of the month.
There's no way to get.
Hold on.
Yeah, okay.
The end of the month is 2 days away.
No, I mean, August.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And I'm living in
that's not gonna work.
And I'm living in a town on the ground right now after putting them so I just don't see how any of this.
I really am hesitant of refunding the bond immediately without her attorney being here.
Her attorney is. So I is it? Oh, okay. Because I mean, I don't have, I don't get an attorney.
No, you're just a good.
Exactly. So that's what I mean. So I don't see how that would counter into it or factor into it. Why would she get the benefit of an attorney when I don't get the benefit of an attorney in this matter?
I'm going to direct the clerk of the court in this matter, that if you wish to seek your bond money back, you're entitled to seek your bond money.
Anyway, sure. Your Honor.
That's okay. That's okay. And then whatever Ms. Todd has to do, that's up to her, but I'm not going to order that the bond be returned. I'm just simply ordering the clerk to follow through with your request.
Thank you.
Okay?
I appreciate it. Good luck. Thank you.
That'll be-
All right, this is a quick one. Just a short one, to help the YouTube algorithms out. I didn't really have much to play today. I've got a lot of long ones and didn't want to throw that in the middle of Friday afternoon for you guys. So I've got a bunch of good stuff to play tonight. Well, I got a bunch of good stuff to play over the weekend. Let's just stay that. All right, you guys all have a great rest of your day. I will see you tonight. If I don't see you tonight, have a great weekend. Don't do anything dumb. I will not hesitate to cover you on my channel if you end up in court. Until next time, bye.